In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an estimate. Once you're logged in, you can go to opportunities where estimates live. You can think of it as a sales opportunity. These columns represent the different stages of your opportunity or lead. So these are new, qualifying, estimating, proposal sent, closed won. So this is the life cycle. This is your CRM. So from here, we'll hit new opportunity. What you'll want to do is your first one that you want to just try out. I would use someone on your team, friend, a coworker, and get their real information in here and use a real phone number and a real email. Hit create opportunity. And this was created, and now it's right here in this column. So from here, you can go through the sub tabs where you can manage all these things, but it'll mostly be empty. Start in scopes. You can use some of these options across the top. There are some existing templates, but what I'm going to do is the easiest thing to just get started. You can use the AI tool and you can say residential kitchen remodel with new countertop, cabinets, appliances, flooring, and paint. Realistically, you can put in a lot more detail, but this just really gets you into the tool without getting stalled out on line items. So it generated different categories. I'll just go ahead and insert this. And it's in the Eano platform now. These are the scopes. You can easily just add line items. Like if you wanted to add a finish coat to countertops, set the cost type, the quantity, unit, say it's just like this one-time deal, $200. You can add a scope section by doing this, but I don't really need that right now. Just want to show you how easy it is to add and remove things. And then once you're finished, you can preview it. And this is what it looks like to the customer. This is the client preview. Go ahead and send it out. There are different sections you can show and hide. Cost types, the quantity, markup is hidden by default. So feel free to adjust those to make sure there's enough margin for your job. Send quote to client. So it's going to Cindy Smith. So you can see that, you hit continue and send it out. So once it's sent out, in this case, it's going to be notifying the client in email and SMS. So an example of the email notification would look like this. Got your logo, about the project, and then they can click in to see the quote. You got the payment milestones and your contract. The contract can be updated. You can create different templates for different types of jobs. It's really easy to plug and play. And here is the SMS. This is a Google Voice number for testing. John Smith has sent you a project quote. So this is what Cindy Smith would see. And from here, you can open it up. All the details are in here. The layout's nice and responsive for mobile. You also have the contract there. And when you want to sign it, we support full secure digital e-sign. So you don't have to buy a separate package just for e-sign. Here's the document. It gets converted to a PDF. Start signing. And the experience is the same on the laptop flow. If you want to sign now, I can bring you to the same area. Generates the PDF. Contract, and then you can just hit this big button here that says start signing. And here there's different options. You can use a script font. You can draw your signature in here, upload a signature, and hit finish. Another cool thing you get is notification. Once prospect opens up the proposal, you'll get a little SMS here. So this way, you know if they're not signing it immediately, you can follow up in a few hours and be like, hey, I sent over the proposal. If you have any questions, let me know. Also, once they've signed it, you'll get notified. And that is the full life cycle of an estimate and sending it out. So one thing I might mention is if you do use your own email, like I just did, the cookies will get a little mixed up. So now when you click on the email that you send yourself, you used to be logged in as a pro account and now you're logged in as a client account. So when you're testing, you might run into this. All you gotta do is just log out and log back in with your main account. You'll get your code and you're back in business. So that's the only thing you have to look out for if you're testing the full happy path yourself, but it's pretty easy, it's pretty straightforward, and it's really scalable. So thanks for watching and go check it out.